How to report an issues on Snapchat. Hi guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first as usually and you open your Snapchat. Then when your Snap is opening as you see, you go here on your profile, then open it. After this guys, go here on settings and click. Then you will go down to spectacles option, then you click and then you will click here report an issue, and here you will report the issue that you suffering from in Snapchat. For example, I have a safety concern, and then we'll just follow the rules and that's it. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you next video.